Hi there again, it's Scott with Mr. Water. Today is October 19th, 2025, and I am in Berkeley Springs, West Virginia on a nice fall day. And this customer called me because his pressure tank was leaking, and leaking pretty bad. You can see that very big stain, that big rust spot right there. I went ahead and drained all the nasty water out of the bladder. The bladder had gone bad years ago. Yeah, don't let it get this bad before you call and replace it. But so it's been 15 years since I've been here. I put in a system 15 years ago for a customer and replaced this water boss here. 15 years ago, it's still sitting here. And I went ahead and replaced the system with the water softener with closed pressure aeration. The system I have a patent on. Of course, then it was patent pending, now it's patented. And so I went ahead and replaced their pressure tank, reinstalled the micronizer, which is right there. That gray thing there with the slot for the slotted screwdriver. And you know, I helped him change his filters and just went over everything again to make sure he understood how to take care of his system. This is a vacation home for them, so they're not here all the time, and therefore, you know, you just don't come down here an awful lot. So I reminded him to come down here and visit his water treatment system occasionally and just make sure everything's working right. So yeah, this pressure tank is the standard pressure tank I install, and it's a good tank. You shouldn't have any issues with it. And so, other than changing the filters, adding salt, and keeping the time set on the control valve, that's all he's going to have to do. And you know, honestly, he should be good for another 15 years. We'll see. I'm here if he needs me, and you know, we'll give you an update in 15 years, I guess. So anyway, thanks for watching the video.